Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today we have a very interesting question. So the question is two columns, the ID column and the tag column. So in this column we have the values which are delimited by the hash keyword. Okay, so the hash character we have in the values in front and in the back. Okay, so we have to separate those values row by row. Okay, so let me show you the expected output. So this is the output we have. All right, so the id column have all the ids and the tag values after the delimiters. Okay, and the number of count, each value is repeating. For example, 200 is repeating one time, 100 is repeating two times, and 300 is repeating one time. Okay, so this is the output we want to generate. All right, so how do we do that? So basically this is a string column and we want to split this string. So simple, we will use the split string function. All right, so as you know, the split string function is the table valued functions. That means this function is generate a table. Okay, so we have two tables now, the tags table and the string split generated output table. Okay, so whenever we join the two tables, so we will use join keyword, but this time we have the string split function, so we want to join a function with the table. So for that we will use the cross apply keyword. All right, so we will use the cross apply and we will write a string split. Okay, so in the string split we will pass the parameters. So the first parameter would be the column name on which we want to split the values. All right, tag, and what is the delimiter? The hash. All right, so we want the columns id column and the values column. So those splitted values where will be stored in the value column. All right, so we have this output. All right, so as you can see, the here are some blanks. Okay, so what are those blanks? So because as you can see, select start from tags, the values, you can see the first value is the hash because we have removed this, so there is a white space character and the white space character comes here, so that's why we have the blank value for, and the same as in the second id. So we removed this hash and we have the white space character, and the white space character took the space in the table. All right, so this is the output we have. All right, so now what we want, we have some values like this. Okay, so what we want to generate a count of all these values. Okay, so for that we will create a cte. All right, so let's from cte, and so let me rename this value to as tag. All right, so tag and count. All right, sorry, group by tag. All right, so we have 100 repeating two times, 200 repeating three times, 300 repeating two times, 400 repeating one time, but we want id column as well, so we will put id as well, and here we will also add id. All right, so we will more logical output we have. All right, so as you can see, 100 is repeating two times, perfect, 201, and now we will sort it by id column, order by id, and where we will remove these two blanks. Okay, where tag not equals to blank. All right, all right, so that's how we generated this output. All right, 102, 1 201, 1 301, 2 202, 2 301. Okay, the same output we have. Okay, so that's how you can generate the output with the help of cross apply and string split function. Whenever we have the query, like we want to split the strings in a multiple rows, so we can use the string split function. All right, hope you guys have learned something, and if you have any query, just put in the comments, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. All right, thank you so much guys.